Welcome and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Kathleen Reddington with your Capital Markets Report. Today is Tuesday, August 26, 2008. Security and Defense Products Company O'Gara Group has filed to raise up to $172.5 million in an initial public offering of common stock. Reuters reports that the company said in a filing with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission that Morgan Kagan and Company is the lead underwriter for the IPO. O'Gara did not reveal how many shares it plans to sell or at what price, but said it intends to list on the stock on the NASDAQ under the symbol OGAR. And staying with capital markets news, Gasco Energy has filed to periodically sell up to $250 million in debt, securities, preferred and common stock, and other securities. The company said it in a filing with the U.S. SEC that it plans to use the proceeds from the shelf offering for general corporate purposes. According to Reuters, under a shelf registration, a company may sell securities in one or more separate offerings with the size, price, and terms to be determined at the time of the sale. And in more capital markets news, German Railways Deutsche Bahn has added several banks to the consortium handling its initial public offering. A source familiar with the situation told Reuters it was looking at October 27th for the listing. Deutsche Bahn said in a statement that it had given mandates to Citigroup, Credit Suisse, ABN AMRO, and RBS as co-leads to the IPO. And in other capital markets news, Japanese beverage group Kirin Holdings will acquire Australia's dairy farmers for 675 million Australian dollars in cash. According to Bloomberg News, the offer by Kirin National Foods is worth 5.65 Australian dollars a share for the closely held company, with assumed debt boosting the enterprise value to 910 million Australian dollars. Buying dairy farmers will extend Kirin's position as Australia's largest seller of fresh milk after last year's purchase of National Foods. And that rounds out today's Capital Markets Report. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click onto our Capital Markets channel online, read the full stories and the latest developments.